of all, thank you very much for the wonderful opportunity to share my research work with you. Basically, I am a physicist and my research work is based on imaging system. Imaging system plays a crucial role in day-to-day life. It has various applications resulting from security to medical diagnosis. In fact, we all have an inbuilt imaging system. Does anyone know about that? Yes, it's our eye. It's an imaging system. It focuses images on retina and our brain recognizes it. Now just look around yourself. What are all the imaging systems you can see? You can see mobile phone camera, CCTVs, sensors, motion detectors, etc. and so on. All these imaging systems can record and process information only in 4D. 4D, which is 2D space, time, color, etc. So, is it sufficient for the modern world to understand everything? Definitely no. If I cut a piece of tissue from my hand and place it under a microscope, I would get information only in 2D. It is not sufficient to resolve the problem using that information. So, in my PhD project, I am focusing on 6-dimensional imaging system, which is 2D space, color, time, depth and polarization, which is beyond 4D using chaotic waves. It has various applications, include cancer diagnosis, food alteration, etc. and so on. So how to perform this? Imaging system is a mapping device. I should map all the object information into the sensor. Then I should encode the amplitude, phase, polarization to obtain intensity distribution. Then I should use computational methods and algorithms to reconstruct the entire object information using that intensity distribution. So to conclude that, new imaging techniques have to be developed, which I am currently focusing on. In near future, I will contribute to the